gas prices just hit a 4-year high. And if you're like me, watching the number climb at the pump, it feels like watching your bank leak. But what if I told you that every time you fill up, you're actually leaving money on the table? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use the Upside app to get cash back on every gallon, and how you can get a massive bonus just for trying it today. Stick around, because I will also show you a double stacking trick that the pros use to save even more. So what is it? Upside is a free app that partners with over 45,000 different businesses, mostly gas stations, but also grocery stores and restaurants. They basically act as a middleman. Gas stations want your business, so they offer secret discounts through the app that you will not see on those big billboards outside of the gas station. So you are able to download the app in the App Store, Google Play Store, Android Store, pretty much wherever you can find it. It is free to download and free to use. No charges whatsoever. But you can always click the link in the description box below and download it that way. And I'm about to show you exactly step by step how it is done and how you can use this app to save a ton of money at the gas station. It is honestly stupid simple. Here's the 3-step process. Step 1, claim it. Open the app before you go to the gas station. Look at the highest cashback offer near you. Sometimes it is 10 cents off. Sometimes it is 25 cents off. Sometimes it is 35 cents off every single gallon. And all you gotta do is press claim. Pay as usual. You can use your debit card, your credit card to pay for the gas the way you normally do, and you will still get the cash back. But remember, you have to link the card that you are going to use in the app before. And step number 3, check in. Simply go to the gas station that you have selected and pump your gas. And that is it. You don't have to take pictures of the receipt. You don't have to jump through 1,000 loops. Simply select the gas station, select your card, go to it, fill up, and that is it. And you are going to get your cash back. Now that you have filled up your gas tank, it will take the app a day or two to verify your purchase, and then the funds will appear in your account. As you can see in my account, I already have almost $30 stacked up, and then I can simply cash this out. I can cash it out to my PayPal account, to my bank account. I can also redeem it to gift cards as well. Whichever payment method you prefer, that is the one you go with. Unlike all the other apps that give you an in-store credit or some point system, the Upside app literally gives you cash money into your account. Now I promised you a trick to save even more money. Hey, before we get back to the video, let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually shopped around for car insurance? If it has been more than a year, then there's a really good chance that you are leaving real money on the table. Insurance costs change all the time, and loyalty doesn't always pay off. The same coverage could cost significantly different amounts depending on the provider. That is why I want to show you this free comparison tool. You put your information once and it pulls multiple insurance offers so you can compare them side by side. No phone calls, no pressure, just options. Some drivers find that they can save up to hundreds of dollars a year by simply comparing. It takes just a few minutes and it won't cost you anything to look. The link is in the description below. Go and check your options. You might be surprised what you find there. Upside works on top of your existing rewards. So if you have a credit card that gives you 3% back on gas, and you use the gas station loyalty program like Shell Fuel Rewards or Exxon Rewards, you get all 3. You're stacking the credit card points, the station's discount, and the Upside cash back. It is the ultimate gas price hack. So combine all 3 for the biggest savings. And if you want to start saving today, I have already put a link in the description to the Upside app. It is also in the pinned comment. Also use the referral code that I'm showing you right now to get an extra 25 cents off per gallon on your first purchase. That is on top of the regular discount. So instead of paying $5 a gallon, you could be paying $4.20, $4.30 with the app. The Upside app is great for gas, but it is also great for fast food. You are able to get anywhere between 10 to 40% off on your fast food order. As you can see, here are some of the local discounts happening in my area. That is money that will go straight into your Upside app and you can stack it. For example, example, if you eat pizza every single day, you are able to stack a bunch of money into the app, redeem it for a pizza gift card, and get even more pizza, or simply cash the money straight to your bank account. So definitely explore the app and see all the local places near you that are offering major discounts, and start taking advantage of them. Also, this app has been around for many years, and I have already saved thousands and thousands of dollars with it. It is super easy to use and the money stacks up fast. So don't let the gas stations win this year. Download the app, claim your first offer, and stop overpaying. If this has helped you, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section below what the gas prices are looking like in your city right now. I want to see who has it the worst. See you in the next video. Peace out.